When I unboxed the ZIKE Z666 USB4 NVMe SSD enclosure for the first time, it immediately felt like a high-end piece of hardware designed for professionals who value speed, build quality, and usability. The packaging is clean, compact, and well-organized. Inside the box, ZIKE includes the enclosure itself, a user manual, a transparent protective cover, a thermal pad, and, importantly, two USB 4 cables. One cable is short and integrated neatly into the enclosure's internal cable slot, while a longer 50-centimeter cable offers flexibility for desktop setups. The presentation communicates confidence. Everything has a purpose, and nothing feels like filler. The enclosure itself is noticeably premium the moment you pick it up. Constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, the Z666 has a solid weight and a rugged industrial design that communicates durability. The ribbed heat-sink exterior feels precise to the touch, not only looking good, but delivering active, intelligent heat conduction. Its compact form factor makes it surprisingly portable, and at 245 grams, it feels substantial without being cumbersome. This is hardware designed for movement, office to home, studio to coffee shop, without compromise. This enclosure is not just fast. It is thoughtfully engineered for real-world professional use. From unboxing to installation and daily operation, the Z666 feels like a product that understands serious users. Editors, gamers, engineers, creators, archivists, and anyone who needs NVMe performance in a portable form factor. If the priority is maximum transfer speed, reliability, and true future-proof connectivity, the ZIKE Z666 stands out by a wide margin.